Like Teen Spirit by Nirvana is a cracking song to practice your power chord shapes. We're going to start off on this F bass power chord at the 1st fret the E string, 3rd fret the A and 3rd fret the D. We're going to strum down, down. Then we've got 3 muted hits, up, down, up. Just resting the hands on the guitar and not applying any pressure there. And we move down to a B flat power chord, 1st fret the A, 3rd fret the D and 3rd fret the G. We're going to strum down, down, open chords as we change. So F, 3 muted hits, 2 B flat chords, and the open strings as we move to an A flat power chord. This is at the 4th fret the E, 6th fret the A and 6th fret the D. Same strumming, down, up, down. This time we've got 4 muted hits, mute, 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 before we go to a D flat power chord. For the D flat power chord, we're going to strum down, down, up, mute. So the whole thing slowly is the F power chord, down, down, 3 muted hits, up, down, up, B flat, down, down, open on the D and G strings, move to the A flat, down, up, down, 4 muted hits, down, up, then the D flat chord, down, down, up, mute. The second time through we do exactly the same, we just end it differently. So we have the F, B flat open, then go to the A flat, and when we go to the D flat chord, we're just going to strum down, down, and slide off the guitar, right down to open string. So the second part of the riff would sound like this, played slowly. And the whole riff together sounds like this. So the verse is really simple to play. It's just the first finger bar at the 1st fret, the B and E strings, and we pick B, E, and that repeats throughout the verse. The pre-chorus is easy to play too. It's the same shape, 1 on the B, 1 on the E. We're just going to pick B, E, B, E, B, E, B, E on repeat. The chorus starts with that F power chord again. We're going to strum all down strums to the chorus. We're going to strum it twice, and then open E string, back to the power chord. Move the shape up 2 frets to 2, 4 and 4 and strum that twice. So then we're going to grab the 3rd fret on the G string with the 2nd finger, bend a whole step up and release. Then we start off the second bar the same way. Then we move up to 6 and 8 and 8 twice, down to 4, 6 and 6 twice. So, and this repeats.